Beautiful afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Steve Burnett here from evchemfree.com. Once again, that's evchemfree.com. And the reason that you are here today is you're trying your best to figure out how do we remove all of the toxic chemicals from your household. And you know, before I answer that question, I want to take you on a path back down memory lane and see if you remember this. Remember your grandparents and your great-grandparents? Can you think back to all of the chemicals they did not have in their household when we were growing up? You see, back then, the only thing you used was a little bit of soap and good, clean, natural water. You see, what is happening now is the more chemicals you introduce to your household, the more chemicals you need to purchase to combat or beat those chemicals you already have. It's absolutely ridiculous. If you go look right up under your kitchen sink or go into your garage or go into your laundry room, count all of the different chemicals you now have in your household. And here's one thing to remember, ladies and gentlemen, especially when it comes to your children or your animals. Think of all of those chemicals that have child-proof caps. That just lets you know how dangerous it is. But here's what we want to do for you today. We want to give you a natural alternative so you can take 100% of the chemicals you have in your household and throw them in the trash. Now, one thing that I love is a saying that I was taught, which is documentation beats conversation. So I'd love for you to finish watching the rest of this video so you can see exactly what we're talking about, what we're going to introduce into your household so you can get rid of every chemical you have. And the best part is, see this number right here? If you give that a call or a text, a live person is actually going to do a demo for you online to show you the product. It's absolutely amazing. Once again, this is Steve Burnett, and I truly hope you're enjoying your day, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.